Hello everyone, this is Amrita and I welcome you to this discussion on sentence completion questions. Sentence completion questions occur quite occasionally or quite regularly in verbal sections of most competitive tests. Before we go on and understand what are sentence completion questions and solve a few example questions, let me take you through the agenda for today's discussion. First and foremost, we will understand the basics of sentence completion. What is meant by sentence completion? After that, I will take you through the types of sentence completion questions that are encountered and what is the purpose of solving such questions. Once you have understood the purpose and the format of these questions, we shall discuss a few tips, techniques and procedures that you should follow to answer these questions. Having discussed all that, I will take you through a sample question, a couple of sample questions, and those I think should be helpful in making our discussion complete and giving you a thorough understanding of sentence completion question types. Now, what are sentence completion questions? The meaning of the word sentence is a group of words, a collection of words which makes sense. Completion means completing something or making something complete. So in the literal sense, sentence completion means you have to complete a semi-structured sentence in the most logical, coherent and most quick manner. Because these tests are timed, you will not be able to assess and analyze a sentence for quite long. So you will have to understand the logic and the idea behind a sentence to complete it quickly. Usually, these are single sentences expressing a complete idea. For example, I have been delayed to work today because of the incessant rainfall. For example, this is the example. If the word incessant has been removed from here, we have an incomplete sentence. To complete this sentence, the options will be given as incessant, and quick, fast, and so on and so forth. So if options are given and a word is underlined and a word is missing from a sentence, all you need to do is from the given options, choose the option which most logically and most coherently suits the place underlined within the given sentence so as to complete it. So in a nutshell, it is an incomplete sentence which, if the word is added, if the required word is added, will make the sentence complete. So having understood the sentence completion literal understanding, we can go on to understand the types of questions. Now, certain sentences may contain 1, 2 or even 3 blanks. 4 to 5 answer choices are given for these to fill up these blanks. Now, for example, the blanks are A, B and C. So, A will have 4 to 5 answer options, B will have 4 to 5 answer options and C will have 4 to 5 answer options. From those answer options, you have to choose the words that fit into that sentence to make it a complete logical whole. You cannot leave one word and cater to the other because all the words together have to make sense within sentence completion. In most competitive examinations, 5 to 10 questions are based on sentence completion, and it is ideal if you can solve these questions because if you compare sentence completion with the other question types, it is a very simple way, it is a very simple question format, and if you can gain maximum marks in this section, you will be benefited as against the other components of the verbal section.